methane. It's the simplest alkane and the main constituent of natural gas. Natural methane is found both below ground and under the seafloor. When it reaches the surface in the atmosphere, it is known as atmospheric methane. The Earth's atmospheric methane concentration has increased by about 150% since 1750, and it accounts for 20% of the total radiative forcing from all of the long-lived and globally mixed greenhouse gases. It's a primary alcohol, and it has 1 oxygen, 1 carbon, and 4 hydrogen.
So now I'm going to show you guys the second alcohol, which is ethanol. It has 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. It starts to boil at 84 degrees Celsius, and it's a primary alcohol. Alcohol is a transparent, flammable liquid that is the major ingredient of alcoholic beverages. It is mostly produced by the fermentation of sugars by yeasts. It is widely used as a solvent, as fuel, and as a feedstock for synthesis of other chemicals. Our next alcohol is butanol, and let's take a look at it with Clara Kim.
Butanol is considered as a potential biofuel. Butanol at 85% strength can be used in cars designed for gasoline and without any change to the engine, unlike 85% ethanol. It has shown low order of toxicity in single-dose experiments to laboratory animals, and is considered safe enough for use in cosmetics.
The next one is tert-butyl alcohol. Tert-butyl alcohol is a colorless solid which melts near room temperature and has a camphor-like odor. It is miscible with water and ethanol. It is a tertiary alcohol and has a boiling point at 82 degrees Celsius.
Isopropyl alcohol is a colorless, flammable chemical compound with a strong odor. It is the simplest example of a secondary alcohol where the alcohol carbon atom is attached to 2 other carbon atoms. Isopropyl alcohol dissolves a wide range of nonpolar compounds. It has a wide variety of industrial and household uses. For example, rubbing alcohol contains 60 to 70% of isopropyl alcohol in it.
Isobutyl alcohol. This is a colorless, flammable liquid with a characteristic smell, and it's mainly used as a solvent. It is a secondary alcohol and has a boiling point at 82 Celsius degree.
Isopentyl alcohol is a primary pentyl alcohol that has a disagreeable odor and pungent taste and is obtained from fusel oil.
The next alcohol that I'm going to show you guys is called pentanol. Pentanol is a colorless liquid with an unpleasant smell. It can be used as a solvent for coating CDs and DVDs, and pentanol has all the properties necessary to replace gasoline as an internal combustion fuel. It is a primary alcohol.
Octanol, it is manufactured for the synthesis of esters for use in perfumes and flavorings. It has a pungent odor. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F.
I want you to write your group's number.
Yeah.
tube D.
Is over the weekend, you need to study these papers. We will have a quiz of these and a PKA that we talked about. We may have
82, 81. 96. So we're putting 1 milliliter of water to each section, I guess. If it's not soluble, then it has bubbles in it.
If it's not soluble, it'll have bubbles in it. See this one? Bubbles.
This one. A3. Hey, Grace.
Sorry.
A3.
I think only this
one. Number.
Yeah, this one and the and by the side it has like some bubbles.
So now we're trying to melt the terbutyl alcohol.
Okay. Okay. Now, this is terbutyl alcohol. It's a tertiary alcohol. Can you feel it? Is it warm?
No.
Okay. Now, put 10 drops of that and see what happens. What happened? Actually, you put in more than a drop. I mean, you put a whole dropper. So, what happened?
Cold.
It turns white.
Okay. It turns whitish. There's a white precipitate at the bottom. Okay. Yeah, then we can start.
So in conclusion, we can see that tube A got bubbles in it, tube B boiled a little, and tube C has a whitish color in it, and tube D and F has no change. Finally, tube B got slightly yellowish.